The Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty brings you 100 Eagle's Nest Trail, a special home in a special place. This 3-acre riverfront estate is nestled on the banks of the famous North Fork River. These legendary rivers have some of the best trout fishing in the world. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, custom home with over 4,000 square feet of luxury living area. This is riverfront living at its very best. This beautiful home includes a fully equipped gourmet kitchen. The hickory floors and cypress walls complement the beautiful river, reflecting in from the floor-to-ceiling windows along the riverfront side of the home. Floor-to-ceiling windows bring the riverbank right into the majestic great room. The spacious master suite includes a large walk-in closet and a huge full bath with a roomy custom stone-lined shower. The second level includes a loft, den, or office, which could also be used as a bedroom, a guest bedroom, and guest bath. On the lower level is the family room and theater. Just outside, a covered outdoor kitchen, a guest cabin, and a bathhouse. The heated and cooled riverfront pavilion provides an unobstructed view of the river and an opportunity to enjoy river living in a special way. And the main attraction? The North Fork River. The estate also includes a large heated and cooled shop with a full bath and a 4-bay garage. For more information, contact the Ozarks team at enjoytheozarks.com.